Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out this modern, gorgeous waterfront home in the area. You got 6 bedroom, 7.5 bath, over 6,300 square foot. Asking price is 14.8 million, but for a good reason. Right next to me, you got 240 feet water access. You can bring your boat, yacht, or whatever your mood is. Place can handle all of it. Even in your dock, you have a place to entertain yourself or your guests. There's a mini golf area to keep you busy always. Place is laid back, chill, just perfectly designed for you to enjoy Miami summers. You got here summer pool, summer kitchen, place for entertainment, place for dining, even place for chill and watch the sunsets. And if you think this is crazy, just wait until we get inside because things are getting crazier. Let's go to check it out. As we step inside from your dock, this gorgeous kitchen is welcoming you. Center of the kitchen, we have this massive island with double sink. It's just perfectly designed for you to prepare family dinners or enjoy wine night with your girls. This kitchen is seriously beautiful. You got custom whitewood cabinets, all the appliances are hidden, and the whole look is super clean and modern, but still it feels warm and inviting. One of the coolest detail in the wood inlay on the ceiling right above the dining area. It adds character and it just makes the space feel really designed. Like every inch was thoughtfully planned out. Everything is tucked behind these sleek panels, even the fridge and the storage. Right after kitchen, we are coming this open bright living area, decorated with the cozy lounging seating. You have a TV, but I don't ever think you will ever watch because since you got this amazing view, it just flows effortlessly. When someone say open layout, this is what I mean it. Everything is open seamlessly, just perfectly to enjoy in this area. You have this gorgeous kitchen, flows naturally to the living area. You have a dining table. From this corner, this hallway takes you exactly to the main living area. This space, as soon as you arrive, it just opens up. You have a 2 section of sitting, lounging, or just enjoying your home. And this is the entrance but as soon as you step inside of your home, you just come here, this little lounging area. This is intentional. I want to mention it because for sure, it's actually feel cozy. The furniture is low, sculptural, and super comfy. Like it's saying, take a minute, you're home. It's a smart layout too. You don't just walk straight in the huge open room. You get this calm little moment first, like a nice breath, before stepping into the main space. Everything looks polished, but still feels very livable. Everything is naturally, seamlessly blend. The color palette is so soft, natural. Even the columns are matching rest of the design. Moving the center of your home, you got this gorgeous dining area. And this is intentionally designed for you to host family dinners, big parties, or just enjoy the beautiful sunset in Miami. And on the side, we have this tucked away little cozy area just for you to enjoy your drinks while they are ready for you to spend your day. Guys, let me show you something cool in this home. You have here wine room as well. Another cool spot in this home, you got this gorgeous powder room with the onyx detail. It's just perfect. Right after your living room, of course, you got this perfect office for you to focus on something or just work things done. Guys, before we move out from this gorgeous property, I would love to introduce you someone. And he's the developer, designer. He's the actually star of our show. And so I have a couple of questions. First of all, thank you for giving us this opportunity to film this gorgeous home.
Thank you. You're welcome.
And I have of course, questions that how is the inspiration came up when you're creating this home?
My inspirations is really just Miami. It needs beautiful. I mean, if you look around, we're all surrounded by water and beautiful palm trees, and nature is so beautiful around us. And I try to create the same or recreate the same with all the wood materials and the travertine, and I try to use natural materials, and that's really my inspiration.
What's your favorite part of this home? Because every detail is intentional.
Favorite
very
part of this home
home
is the high ceilings.
Yes,
The travertine everywhere. The master bathroom is probably the nicest I've seen. And really, I think it's from traveling so much, you get inspired by all these beautiful places we go to and the hotels we stay at. And I try to recreate this in the home so you can feel like you're on vacation, basically.
When we arrive to second floor, on the side, this tucked-in cozy spot is perfectly designed for you to open a bottle of wine and just enjoy. Moving into the primary bedroom, everything is great, intentional, double sinks, walk-in showers, everything is just your spa in your home. Bathroom is perfectly splitting the shower area with the glass doors. You have natural lights, walk-in shower. Another cool part of this bathroom, right here, your private sauna, guys. This is insane detail, like the rest of the home. And here is your own little world. You have place to sit, place to sleep, and place to enjoy the Miami. Everything is seamlessly natural tones, inviting you to be all day in the bed. And as soon as you woke up, sliding these doors brings you your hidden gem and your balcony with the beautiful view, no obstruction, just endless blue. This is your own therapy session without the appointment. Next to your primary bedroom, of course, you got your own boutique. This is every girl's dream. Everything is seamlessly designed, LED lighting, glass doors. It's just perfectly to find things without need anyone. And the cool part about it, you have natural light coming in and you have a place to try on things and without making a mess. And of course, there's a room for him, the same design, the same finishes, and it's just perfectly to separate room for both parties. In this floor, a few more bedrooms. This one is more cozy, I will say. Has its own little bathroom. And the view from every room is absolutely amazing. And you have in front of you connected balcony with all the bedrooms. It just opens the space up. The lights are naturally comes in effortlessly. This is another bedroom with 2 beds. Of course, has its own bathroom. The same view for you to invite your guests and enjoy. Here is the laundry room. You have a dryer, washer, even a sink right on the corner. And this one is another bedroom in the same floor with the same view, corner unit, and everything is pretty much similar design, natural tones, and yeah, you have enough space to bring your friends. This staircase is bringing you to your rooftop. and to see whole Miami under your feet. Even a movie theater in your home, you got here your popcorn machine ready for you to enjoy your movies. And last but not least, you got this gorgeous two-car garage, just car collection. It was the whole wrap around this gorgeous home in the Miami area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you on the next one.